Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today I have with me the brand new Nokia 3.4. Now this smartphone is priced in the budget category and it starts at 11,999 rupees. It is a part of the Android One program, so it's guaranteed to get Android updates. So let's go ahead, unbox this device and take our first look. But before I do that, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you know when we upload a new video. So this is what the box of the Nokia 3.4 looks like, and well, it offers 2 years of software updates. It's mentioned right here on the box. At the back it has a couple of specifications. So it is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 SoC. You get a 6.39-inch HD plus display. It gets a triple camera setup, a 13 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and a 4000 mAh battery. I'm going to go ahead, unbox the device and give you the first look. So this is what you get in the box. First thing is the Nokia 3.4. I've got this in a purple color. As you can see, it has texture at the back. So I think this should help keep fingerprints away. It is a unique pattern, and the triple camera at the back. Now this is something we've seen on most other Nokia devices as well. Rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Let's power it on. As you can see, it is an Android One device. Keep it aside and check what else do you get in the box. So you get a USB Type A to Type C charger. Get a charging brick. This thing is not very common these days on flagships at least, but this is a 5-watt charger, so I do think this will take some really long charging times. And you get a pair of headphones in the box. There's a SIM eject tool. You also get a case and some documentation. So case and the documentation. I'm gonna quickly keep all of this aside. So this is what the Nokia 3.4 looks like. You've got a big 6.39-inch HD plus display at the front. And this is a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 SoC, and it has 4 GB of RAM on board along with 64 GB of storage. So you only get one variant for this particular smartphone. Storage is expandable up to 512 GB. There are 3 color variants. The purple one is called Dusk. There is a bright green one and black. It's called Charcoal. As you can see, you have a hole punch on the left side. So that has the selfie camera, and it is an 8 megapixel camera here that you get. Quickly set it up. Now the phone isn't too heavy. It weighs about 180 grams and it is lighter than some of the other phones I've recently unboxed. Set the fingerprint. Now the scanner is very easy to reach. Now your finger rests naturally on it when you're holding the device. You skip face unlock at the moment, but there is face unlock available as well. So this is the first look at the software on the Nokia 3.4. As you can see, it is stock Android, then no bloatware apps pre-installed. All of these are Google apps and you don't have a lot of them installed on the device. Now this smartphone is priced at 11,999 rupees only, which does look like a decent price, but I'm going to give my full verdict only after the full review. So you get Android 10 out of the box. This is Android 11 ready, and it's going to get an update to Android 12 as well, because Android 1 promises 2 years of software updates. Gesture navigation is enabled by default, like it is on most Android devices, and it has the December security patch, which is acceptable. It's decent, but I expect it to get updates soon. We'll also quickly check if the software updates available. Yes, as you can see, this has the February security patch on download, so it is available. Now it has a very clean UI. You've got no bloatware pre-installed, so there's no issue of spammy notifications. It's very easy to use if you are used to, say, an Android smartphone, a stock Android smartphone. Switching to this is going to be very easy. Now the 4000 mAh battery should give it some decent battery life, but it remains to be seen how well it will fare. Now in terms of all the other ports, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. You've got a secondary microphone. The power and the volume buttons are on the right. So power is very easy to hit. The volume it's reachable. You don't really have an issue. You just have to shift the phone a bit. At the bottom, you've got the loudspeaker, the USB Type-C port, and the primary microphone. This is where your SIM tray is on the left, and there's one more button, which is the dedicated button for the Google Assistant. Now let's just quickly pop the SIM tray open and check the configuration that you get. You get 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you can expand storage without sacrificing a SIM. So that was my first impressions and your first look at the Nokia 3.4. Now, what do you think about this smartphone? Let me know that in the comments down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.